Local legal think tank Veritas says the cyber and data protection, licensing of data controllers and appointment of data protection officers regulations are unconstitutional and infringe upon various fundamental rights. Panapa tiri kuona kuti wamuziva anonzi Tatenda Mavetera opinzwa ma1 achinzi zvaroda kuita nemutemo yaroda kuisa yemadata protection aiwa iri kuonekwa kunzi iri kuda kuviolata mahuman rights ichionekwa kunzi this move yaroda kuita yaroda kuti aiwa maadmins epawhatsapp vange vachibhadhara mari vachiisa madata controllers mumagroups zviri unconstitutional. Sanapena mashoko ationa kuti it has become a blow kwaari todobva subscribe like on the bell kuti imina panapa Newsday vanobuda nyora vachiti Information Communication Technology Minister Tatenda Mavetera last month published the Cyber and Data Protection Licensing of Data Controllers and Appointment of Data Protection Officers Regulations 2024 SI 155 of 2024. The regulations blew a storm this month when Mavetera was reported to have said that churches which collect personal data about their members will have to be licensed under the regulations, while WhatsApp groups administrators would also need to be licensed. Veritas, the legal think tank, argues that this licensing of data controllers and appointment of data protection officers regulations, they are unconstitutional and infringe upon various fundamental rights. Mashoko atrigona kuti aiwa the move kana kuti mutemo mutsva unoiswa the ICT minister Tatenda Mavetera aiwa unoya panapa legal think tank achiva chimuaccuser achiti aiwa zvaroda kuita izvi aiwa hazvizi constitutional, zvinoenda against the law and zvinoabuse mahuman rights just because munenge muchida kutora kana kuva neaccess kune private information aiwa yema individuals. Tudze mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi aiwa pina kuma section yedu tudze mafunguro enyu musana subscribe like channel the bell icon.